Hi, this is the season of Galette de Rois, which is a very French traditional pie. It is to celebrate Epiphany, corresponds to the moment when baby Jesus was presented to three wise men, Melchior, Gaspar and Balthazar, who have arrived from three different continents, Asia, Europe and Africa, with their gifts. So this is the small history. The Galette de Rois is a crispy pie with different fillings, but the French people like most filling with sweet almond, egg and butter. So let's go and make a Galette de Rois. Puff pastry, homemade, or you can buy it from market. 1 1/4 cup almond powder, 3/4 cup of sugar, 50 gram of butter at room temperature, few drops of vanilla essence. For this recipe we will need the fève. The fève is a small porcelain figurine which we place inside the filling when we are spreading. Then we put a fève inside this. The family tradition is for everyone to gather and cut the cake. Whoever will find the fève in his part of cake would be the king or the queen of the day. Some people make it more interesting by imposing some quest, like the one who will find the fève will make the next year the Galette de Rois or the king cake. If you don't have the porcelain figurine, then you can put a bean inside it, inside the filling, so it can be worked very well. This is the crown made of cardboard, which is supplied with every Galette de Rois in the bakery. So you can make a crown for the king or queen of the day. Let's start making Galette de Rois. The first step, powder your surface and rolling pin, and I will roll the pastry and then cut two same size of disc. Then I will put in the fridge, and afterwards we will make filling and fill the pastry. So let's start with the pastry. This is 24 centimeter disc cutter, so I will cut my pastry 24 centimeter of diameter. Now I will put the pastries in the fridge. I forgot to tell you about eggs. We will need 2 eggs, one for filling and one for brushing on the top. Now take butter and sugar in a mixing bowl and mix them very well with the egg beater or with the hand beater. Now I will add almond powder with the mixture, mix in the mixture. So a few drops of vanilla essence. Now our filling is ready. I will put it in the fridge. The water on the side of the pastry. I will spread the filling over the pastry. Spread the filling evenly, just not to touch the edges. Don't forget to put the fève with the other disc of pastry, then press it like with your fingers like that. Now with the help of the knife you make this brush with the egg mixture. Now I will put this in the fridge for 2 hours. Now to save the time, I have put in the freezer for 10 to 15 minutes. I will give another egg wash. With the help of knife, I will make design. Now just prick with the knife to make small holes, and I will put in the oven to bake for 20-25 minutes. Now our French king cake or galette de Rois is ready. I will take out in a plate. It is almost ready. I have prepared sugar syrup. I will coat with the sugar syrup over the top. Our galette de Rois or king cake is ready. So our king cake is ready. Now I am going to eat it and see you soon with the new recipe. Bye.